If you or your family are looking to downsize to a 55-plus independent or assisted living community in Southwest Florida, you need to talk to Jan Wallace at Gulf Coast Realty and her team of experts. Jan gains specialized knowledge, experience, and compassion in assisting seniors while caring for her own parents. The National Association of Realtors honored Jan with the prestigious Outstanding Service Award for her excellence as a senior real estate specialist and service to seniors in the community. As a senior real estate specialist, Jan Wallace is here to help you with the difficult and complicated process of finding a place you can call home. With over 13 years of experience supporting assisted living in Fort Myers area, the team understands the emotional impact a move like this can have on a person and will make sorting, packing, downsizing, the preparation and sale of your real estate and moving much easier than you would expect. Jan services from Fort Myers, Cape Coral to Naples and Bonita Springs. Jan's experience also covers first-hand understanding of elder care needs, and she can share with you the best ways to pay for assisted living in the Fort Myers area. Jan draws upon a wide network of assisted living Fort Myers area specialists, including a free service to help you find housing options and community tours, interim financing for your move, packers, movers, elder law attorneys, and much more. Find out how Jan Wallace and her team at Gulf Coast Realty can provide you with a one-stop shop solution today. For a free confidential consultation, call Jan at 239-443-0038.